McDonald's absolutely crushed the planet with their BTS meal.
Okay.
Would you expect anything else?
I'm not surprised.
You're not surprised. I'm not surprised. This is the biggest performance bump in weekly demand. Huge bump. Who doesn't want a bump if they're in business? The highly anticipated BTS meal launched in the United States May 26th, but the important part here, it launched globally as well. The previous collabs were more regional. According to Business Insider, McDonald's has seen a significant spike in a number of customers visiting its locations. Restaurant visits were up 12%. That's not nothing, Will. For one little McNugget meal.
I mean,
they do have the nice packaging.
They have the branding.
They got the great packaging. You got to get in there for that. But it also showcases the power of that BTS brand, that they could bump all of McDonald's 12 points because all those fans had to get in there. But it is also important to note, it wasn't just nuggets. I know a lot of people said that, but you couldn't get those sauces before. The Korean sauces for the dips. And I told you, I found the Cajun dip to be quite complex.
Yeah. I had it again. It was actually pretty good, the Cajun.
Because you weren't into the Cajun. I
No.
showed you Cajun. You were like, not for me. And I was like, easy.
Yeah. I just slapped it out of your hand.
But you were in a bad mood at that moment. You were a little off. So
Well, my nose was plugged. I couldn't deal with all the flavors.
So what
I
happened?
wasn't in Flavor Town.
So what happened on your follow-up? What was different? You were in a better mood.
I could have, yeah. And I could breathe,
Right.
taste.
And so what did you discover on the second run at the Cajun?
Cajun had a nice, complex flavor.
You agree with
For
you
McDonald's.
agree with the word
Yeah.
yes, for McDonald's.
Yeah.
You're like, oh damn, there's some like mustardy thing going on
There's
there.
something in there.
That is it's a little more than you bargained for. And you don't end up minding it. Anyway, so BTS, huge, popular. When they did the quarter pounder deal with Travis Scott, the weekly traffic went up 9%. But
That's not nothing either. I guess it's only for the U.S.
that was
right?
just for the U.S. though. Yeah, but you're right. That's not nothing. I say you got to pay that man a few dollars after that.
Yeah.
You got to pay these guys a few dollars. These guys. This one will soon be available in 50 countries on 6 continents. Worldwide BTS meal.
Congrats.
Holy cow. Anyway, so after doubling up and trying the Cajun again, do you take it over the sweet chili as far as the 2 Korean sauces go?
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah.
Because the sweet chili is too much like the other ones.
Yeah. I find it very flat.
It's too much like the other ones. It's too safe.